In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to use the remote start features of a 2023 Nissan Altima. If you have a remote that looks like this with a little circle with an arrow on it at the top of the remote, that tells me that you have a remote start feature on your vehicle. To engage the remote start, the first thing I'm going to do is press the lock button on the vehicle. Then I'm going to push and hold the remote start button, and you have to hold it for about 5 seconds. I just heard it start up, so now the vehicle is running. When I'm ready to get in the vehicle and drive, I'll just open up the door by unlocking it. Once in the vehicle is not going to be able to be driven until you press on the brake with the key in the vehicle and then press the start button one time. You'll notice now that the vehicle is ready to be driven. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.